Sea Island Girl here. Okay, so you remember earlier I was making the beans from, I guess you will say, yesterday's video. Yeah, because this is going to go out. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, so you remember the beans, right? I put it in my little slow cooker pot here. And see, look, they're nicely done already. So what I've been doing is like taking out the, oh gosh, onion peel. And there you go. I put it in the bucket. So I put the potato in here. Got the potato in here. I got the green pepper in here. And I got the carrot somewhere in here. And the onions. So now I am about to, I think I need to transfer this pot over to the next side. I need to transfer this pot, transfer the beans out of the pot into another pot. So, all right, I'm about to do that. All right, so give me a minute here, and I'll be back. Okay. Let me move this other way. So, see? Very yummy. Okay, so I blend it all up, all the vegetables, the onions, the carrots, and the potato. So make it real creamy like. So now, oh God, I gotta make sure all this is off of here. Now, and I got my beans in the pot over here. Let me see if I can turn it. Turn a little bit. Okay, they got my beans in the pot. You see it? There you go. Put them in the pot. I moved them in the pot. So what I did was I put my turkey in the pressure cooker so I can go on and pressure it instead. I know this is, I like when, you know, turkey necks and all that kind of stuff. It kind of slow cook, but I was really trying to do a gig today, but he didn't call me with anything yet, so let's go on and cook this, cook dinner, cook a little dinner, all right, okay. I'm always shaking stuff off down to the last drop. Why do I do that? Okay. All right, so now I'm about to dump this. Wow, look at that, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. All right, let's see. All right. There I go again. Gotta wipe it down all the way to the last drop. All right, so see, it looks really creamy, huh? So I'm gonna let that cook down. They said put cilantro in it, but I don't want to put no cilantro. Okay, here go my gig guy. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, I guess when I answer the phone, I flicked the video all the way off. All right, so my son is gonna have to help me out here. So what I'm gonna do is just keep this on simmer going on, and then when the turkey's done, I'm gonna ask my son to make me a quick video. Lord, that's gonna be tragic. Okay, I'm gonna ask him to make me a quick video so I can finish up this video, so y'all can see the finished product, and then go from there. But look, it's all nice and creamy. All right. And 2 beans soaked in lime for 1 hour. Then I'll rinse it off, put it in my pressure cooker with the purple onion, yellow onion, carrots, potato, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and then I forgot three garlics. I put those already in there. Put them all in the pressure cooker. They pressured for about 30 minutes. Then they got really soft, really nice. beans really soft, really nice. So then now, I'm now cooking my turkey in the pressure cooker, and then I got the vegetables, put them in the blender, blend it all up, and now I've put it back in the pot, and now I'm just gonna let it go ahead and continue to kind of cook down a little bit, and that's it. So hopefully my son will do what I ask him to do. We'll see, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'll be back again.
Here goes your prison slop roast. All you need is some beans, some po' boy turkey necks, and a bunch of whatever sauce this is with no seasoning. And you got yourself a prison delight. Delicious.
All I ask is one favor from that mud duck. One favor. And to just take a picture or video of my final product, because I'm out on a gig and I'm not going to be home in time. So while it's on the stove, just do a cute little video, and this is what I get. So anywho, if you liked the way my beans turned out and would like to try it, leave a comment and I'll be happy to share the ingredients with you again. Okay? So until next time, like I always say, I love you. I appreciate you subscribing to me. I appreciate y'all. And you guys have a good one. Until next time, take it easy.